Well, I think when we have the walkthroughs, when we're totally complete, I think parents and grandparents and other individuals in the community walk through this building. It used to be the high school many years ago, and it has changed. It's still the same hallways, it's still the same building, but what's inside that building and what's inside the classroom are learning environments that have moved forward 50 to 75 to 100 years.
I graduated from this school in high school in 1988. So it was a completely different atmosphere at that time. The building itself seemed to be a lot darker back then. Well, we have a new school, and the new school is it's so beautiful.
As mom of two high school students, one a sophomore, one a senior, I just see the renovation of this building providing me as a teacher opportunities to provide to my students.
You know, the biggest thing that I can say is thank you. If they could see the difference from where we were at to where we're at now, just staff, students, everybody in this building, it's a completely different feeling. And I think everybody is so appreciative of what this means to everyone.